Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on National Australian Bank. If you have already registered for online banking account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for nab.com.au. And once you land onto an interface like this, just go and tap onto the login option here. By tapping on it, you will land onto the login page for National Australian Bank. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just go and tap onto the register now option here. And by the completion of the registration process, you'll be able to set a password that you can log into your account with. So go to the NAV ID text field and enter the ID number. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. In case if you have forgotten your NAV ID or password, then you can just go and tap on to forget NAV ID or password option in order to reset your password. And once you are done entering your login credentials, just go and tap onto the login option here, and by tapping on it, you'll have successfully logged into your online banking account on National Australian Bank. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.